Let's be honest, diesel engines are already some of the most fuel-efficient machines you can drive. That's one of the main reasons people choose them in the first place. They last longer, pull harder, and usually go farther on a tank than gas engines. But here's the part most drivers never think about. Even a very efficient diesel can waste fuel if you don't use it the right way. And that wasted fuel adds up fast. Gas stations don't lose sleep when you burn through fuel quicker. In fact, they make more money when you do. So don't expect anyone at the pump to explain how small changes could cut your diesel use by 10, 15, or even 20% over time. That's why we're talking about it here. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 7 simple diesel fuel saving secrets that most drivers never learn. These are not expensive parts, no tuning, no engine mods, no trips to the shop. Most of these changes are free and the rest cost almost nothing. And best of all, they can start saving you money on your very next fill-up. Make sure you stick around until the end, because secret number 7 is something many people do every single week without thinking. It feels harmless, but it quietly wastes fuel and money. The fix takes less than 5 minutes. Let's start with the first one. Secret number 1. Fill up early in the morning or late at night. This one sounds almost too simple to matter, but there's real science behind it. Diesel fuel, just like water or oil, changes size with temperature. When it gets warm, it expands. When it's cool, it becomes denser. Gas stations store diesel in underground tanks. During the middle of the day, especially in summer, that fuel warms up. Warm fuel takes up more space, which means you're getting slightly less energy for the same amount of money. When you fill up early in the morning or late at night, the fuel is cooler and denser. That means more usable energy per gallon compared to hot fuel pumped during the day. Will this one trick suddenly save you hundreds of dollars overnight? No, but over dozens of fill-ups across a year, those small differences add up quietly. Think of it like spare change you're leaving behind every time you fill up at noon. It's free fuel value that most drivers never bother to claim. If you're already driving past the station in the morning or evening, there's no downside. Same fuel, same price, slightly better value. Secret number 2, use a quality fuel injector cleaner every 3 to 6 months. Here's something gas stations almost never talk about. Even decent diesel fuel slowly leaves deposits inside your fuel injectors over time. It doesn't matter if you buy regular diesel or premium. Dirt and buildup still happen, just more slowly in some cases. When injectors get dirty, they stop spraying fuel the way they're supposed to. Instead of a fine mist, the fuel comes out unevenly. That leads to poor combustion, which means some of your diesel goes straight out the exhaust without doing useful work. That's wasted fuel. A good fuel injector cleaner costs about the same as a fast food meal, but it can restore injector spray patterns close to how they were when the engine was new. Cleaner injectors mean better fuel spray, more complete burning, smoother running, and better fuel mileage. Many diesel owners report 10% or more improvement in fuel economy after a proper injector cleaning. That might not sound huge, but over thousands of miles, it becomes real money staying in your pocket. Using it is simple. Pour the cleaner into the tank when fuel is low, then fill up and drive normally. The cleaner works through the system as you use that tank of fuel. Doing this once every 3 to 6 months helps protect your injectors and keeps your engine running efficiently. Now, to be fair, some top-tier fuel brands already include cleaning additives, but many stations only meet the bare minimum requirements. That's why even drivers who use good fuel can still benefit from a high-quality injector cleaner. It's cheap insurance, and one of the easiest fuel-saving habits you can build. Secret number 3, keep your tires properly inflated. This is one of the biggest fuel wasters for diesel drivers, and most people never realize it's happening. When your tires are low on air, they create more resistance against the road. That resistance forces your engine to work harder just to keep the vehicle moving. More work means more fuel burned. Simple as that. Studies show that for every 1 psi drop in tire pressure across all 4 tires, fuel economy drops by about 0.2%. That doesn't sound like much until you realize many drivers are running 5 to 10 psi low without knowing it. That's an easy 1 to 2% fuel loss, sometimes more, every single mile you drive. Check your tire pressure at least once a month, and always check it when the tires are cold. Don't trust the number printed on the tire sidewall. That number is the maximum pressure, not the correct pressure for your vehicle. The correct pressure is listed on the sticker inside the driver's door frame. That's the number your tires should be set to. Keeping your tires properly inflated can improve fuel economy by 3% or more, and it takes about 2 minutes once a month. Few changes give you that kind of return for so little effort. Secret number 4, stop excessive idling. Diesel owners love to let their engines idle, warming up in the driveway, sitting in parking lots, letting the engine run while using the air conditioner. It feels harmless. But here's the truth. Idling burns fuel while going nowhere. Modern diesel engines do not need long warm-up times. In most conditions, 30 seconds to 1 minute is more than enough. After that, gentle driving warms the engine faster and more efficiently than idling ever could. If you're going to be stopped for more than 3 minutes and you're not stuck in traffic, turning the engine off saves fuel. Restarting a modern diesel uses less fuel than letting it idle for just a minute or two. Large fleet companies figured this out years ago. That's why many now have strict anti-idling rules. The fuel savings across hundreds of vehicles are massive. Apply the same logic to your own driving, and you'll see your fuel costs drop without changing where or how far you drive. Secret number 5, use cruise control on the highway. Your right foot might be one of the biggest enemies of good fuel economy. Most drivers, even careful ones, cannot hold a steady speed. We speed up a little, slow down a little, speed up again. Each tiny change burns extra fuel. Cruise control removes that problem completely. It keeps your speed steady with small, smooth throttle changes. Diesel engines love this. They work best with steady load, stable RPM, predictable fuel flow. On flat highways, using cruise control can improve fuel economy by 7 to 14% compared to manual driving. That's a huge gain for pressing one button. There is one exception. In hilly areas, cruise control can hurt fuel economy because it may push the engine harder to maintain speed uphill. In those situations, gentle manual control is often better. But on long, flat highway drives, cruise control is one of the easiest ways to save fuel without even thinking about it. Secret number 6, remove unnecessary weight and wind drag. Every extra pound your diesel has to move requires extra fuel. That's basic physics. Yet many drivers unknowingly turn their vehicles into rolling storage units. Think about what's in your vehicle right now. Old tools you're not using, equipment from a past job, boxes, gear, or random items that have been sitting there for weeks. All of that weight forces your engine to work harder every single mile. The same problem applies to wind resistance. Roof racks, cargo boxes, and poorly designed bed covers create drag, especially at highway speeds. Drag is like driving into a strong headwind all the time. Your engine has to push harder just to keep speed. If you don't need something today, take it out. If you're not using a roof rack or cargo box regularly, remove it. A lighter, cleaner vehicle moves more easily, and that directly improves fuel economy. For every 100 pounds of extra weight you remove, fuel economy can improve by 1 to 2%. Combine weight reduction with less wind drag, and the savings add up fast, especially on long drives. Why small changes matter more than you think. Here's the thing most people miss. You don't need to make one massive change to see results. Fuel savings come from small improvements stacked together. Maybe tire pressure gives you 3%. Cruise control adds another 8%. Less idling saves a few more points. Removing weight adds another 1 or 2%. Individually, they don't sound impressive. Together, they can cut fuel use by 10 to 15% or more without changing your vehicle or your lifestyle. And now we're getting to the habit that wastes fuel almost every driver practices. Secret number 7, stop topping off your tank. This is the fuel wasting habit nearly everyone has. You're filling up. The pump clicks off automatically. But instead of stopping, you squeeze in a little more fuel to round up the number. It feels neat. It feels harmless. It's not. When you top off after the automatic shutoff, several bad things happen. First, you risk forcing liquid fuel into parts of the emission system that are designed only for vapor. Over time, that can cause damage that's expensive to fix. Second, some of that extra fuel can get pulled back into the station's vapor recovery system. You paid for it, but it didn't stay in your tank. Third, overfilling leaves no room for fuel expansion. On hot days, diesel expands. With no space to expand, fuel can overflow or get pushed where it shouldn't go. The rule is simple. When the pump clicks off, stop. Don't squeeze in more. You're wasting fuel and risking damage for no benefit at all. What all these fuel-saving secrets have in common. Every tip you've heard so far shares one powerful truth. They cost nothing but awareness. Gas stations don't make money when you stretch a tank of fuel. Tire shops don't remind you to check tire pressure because underinflated tires wear out faster and need replacing sooner. No part of the fuel industry benefits when drivers become more efficient. But you do. Every single percentage point of improved fuel economy is money that stays in your wallet instead of going into someone else's pocket. And you don't need to apply all 7 tips at once to see real results. Even if you consistently follow just 3 or 4 of these habits, you could easily see 10 to 15% better fuel economy. Think about what that means in real numbers. If your diesel vehicle burns around 25 gallons a week, a 10 to 15% improvement saves you several gallons every single week. Over a year, that turns into serious money, especially with fuel prices always changing. And the best part? None of this requires engine modifications, expensive parts, special tools, or changing how you drive in a major way. These are just small adjustments, easy habits, simple awareness. But when you stack them together, the results are big. Why most drivers never learn this? Most people only think about fuel when prices go up. They don't realize that efficiency isn't about driving slow or sacrificing comfort. It's about working with your engine instead of against it. Diesel engines are designed to reward steady use, smooth operation, and basic care. When you give them that, they quietly pay you back mile after mile. Once you understand that, you stop chasing gimmicks and start focusing on what actually works. Final thoughts. If even one of these fuel-saving tips opened your eyes, imagine what happens when you apply several of them together. That's money saved without effort, less fuel wasted, less stress at the pump. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more diesel knowledge that actually saves you money. No hype, no expensive upgrades, just real-world advice that works. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I truly appreciate it. And if you've got any diesel-related questions, drop them below. I'd be happy to help. Until next time, drive smart and let your diesel work for you.